Right. So, welcome to grade 7. In this session, we'll learn about word problems which are related to addition of fractions, subtraction of fractions, multiplication of fractions, and division of fractions. Okay, the exercise 2.1, the question number 4. Right. Question number 4. What is the question number 4? Please give me that. Yes. Can you read any one of you? Question number 4. Lasi Priya, please. Unmute yourself and read the question.
Rectangular sheet of paper is 5 2 by 3 centimeter long and 3 1 by 5th centimeter wide. Find its perimeter.
Yes, well done. A rectangular sheet of paper is 5 2 by 3 centimeters long and 3 1 by 5 centimeters wide. Find its perimeter. So to give the solution of this problem, we need to know the formula which is used for finding the perimeter of rectangle. Right. The perimeter of rectangle, what is the formula? We already used in the previous classes. And the previous sessions I already discussed, we have discussed about this. The perimeter of rectangle, the solution is given like that. So first of all, write the length of rectangular sheet. Length of rectangular sheet. How much it is? 5 2 by 3 centimeters. 5 2 by 3 centimeters. It is mixed fraction as you found that. It is a mixed fraction. So converted into improper fraction. So when we convert this 5 2 by 3, it becomes 3 5s are 50 plus 2 plus 17 by 3 centimeters. Right? Next, we'll go for that width or breadth. Breadth of a rectangular plus sheet. How much it is? 3 1 by 5 centimeters. So when we convert into improper fraction, 5 3s are 15 plus 1. It is clear that you know the length and breadth, but you just want to know that what is the formula for finding about the perimeter of rectangle. As we know that the perimeter of rectangle equals, what is the perimeter? Perimeter is just nothing but sum of all sides of a closed figure. Sum of all sides of a closed figure. The length of around the figure is also called perimeter. To find the perimeter, you just add all the sides of the closed figure and sum. There are regular and irregular figures, right? Shapes. For regular shapes, we have a particular formulas, and irregular shapes we can add all the sides. So okay, what are the regular and what are the irregular? So regular, that means the sides which are in the same shape and same size, same length, they are called regular shapes. And different lengths, the shape which is formed by different line segments, length of line segments, different length of line segments, they are irregular shapes. The closed figures which are formed by same length of line segments, they are called regular shapes. So here the rectangle or a square and triangle and pentagon and septagon, octagon, nonagon, decagon we have discussed already. So in that the perimeter of rectangle, yes, rectangular sheet equals P is equals to 2 into L plus B. This is the formula. There are two lengths and two breadths in the rectangle. So we need to add them. 2L plus 2B. 2 lengths plus 2 breadths. So we have written that as 2 as a common. So that we got the formula is 2 into L plus B. 2 into length plus breadth. Emma, yes. We just instead of write length, we use 13 by 3. And instead of B, 16 by 5. This is up to here. Next, to add the given two fractional numbers, it is, you know how to add fractional numbers. Yes, you know. As you know how to find or how to add the fractional numbers, you just add these fractions. Right. Take the LCM of 3 and 5. Both are prime numbers. Yes, 3 5s are 15. To write the LCM, if the prime numbers they are, you just multiply those numbers to write the LCM. So 3 5s are 15. Okay. Right. 17 by 3. 17? 19. So now I am writing the equivalent fraction of 17 by 3 as a denominator 15. Yes. Because when what should be the number multiplied by 3 to get 15? 3 multiplied by 5. So 3 5s are 15, and also will multiply the numerator by the same number 5. So 17 5s are 85. Very good. Next, 16 by 5. So the denominator should be 15. What should be the number multiplied by 5? 3, and here also 3. That is 48. Yes. So 17 by 3 as a denominator 15, we get the numerator is 85 plus 5 how many times? 3 times. 3 into 16, 48. So when we write those two fractions into the equivalent like fraction, we get those fractions. Right. Now 2 into 85 plus 48. How much now? 133 by 15. Yes, we multiply the fractional numbers. Whole number into fraction number. You just multiply the numerator. If there is nothing, it is a 1, you know. You just product of numerators by product of denominators. Yes, 2 into 133, 266 by 115 are 15. 266 by 15. Divide it. Divide 266 by 15. 15 ones are 15. This is 116. 15 sevens are 105. We get 11 as a reminder. So when we write that 266 by 15 in the mixed fraction, we get 17 as a whole number. And denominator is a 15. The remainder is 11. Together, here we find that 17, 11 by 15 is centimeters is the perimeter of rectangular sheet. This is what I actually explained. Okay. No. Okay, then just take one screenshot and it will be right in our notebook. Oh my goodness.
Cups of flour. More cups of flour does she need?
Yes, very good. So the recipe requires 3 1/4 cups of flour. Radha has 1 3/8 cups of flour. How many more cups of flour does she need? But what is the required flour to make a recipe? 3 1/4 cups of flour, right? So the step 1, required flour for recipe. Required flour for recipe is 3 1/4 cups. Okay, number of cups with the flour with Radha. Floor with Radha. Radha దగ్గర floor already floor ఉంది కదా. That is 1/3/8 cups. But she need some more cups, right? But actually she wants she need 3 1/4 cups. But she had only 1 3/8 cups, right? So number of cups required. Third step, number of cups required. What should we do to find the solution of this question? Yes, obviously subtraction. You just subtract 1 3/8 from 3 1/4. Okay now. So just a small example I will tell you. So we need to purchase an article for 20 rupees, but you have only 11 rupees. What is amount is required to purchase the article?
9 rupees.
How did you say that? You just subtract 11 from 20. We get 9 rupees. And as we use the same example, you just had you number of cups required for that making recipe is 3 1/4 cups, but she has only 1 3/8 cups. To find the number of cups she need, you just subtract 1 3/8 from 3 1/4. Okay, next question number 6. Abdul is preparing for his final exam and he has completed 512 part of his course content. Find out how much course content is left. The course should take as a one course. Total course is one whole thing. Okay, the course is 1 unit. Total course, right? How much part of the content he completed? You write the second step as it is. Okay, part of the course completed by Abdul, 5/12. The total content is 1. First step, total content 1 unit. Part of course completed by Abdul, 5/12.
12.
How much content had to be complete?
7/12.
No, 1 minus 5/12. That is the way. We have to write in the statement now. One content, full one content, 1 unit minus 5/12. You just, ikkada 1 minus 5/12. So it is a denominator is 1. You just take the LCM is 12. So 1 divides 12 how many times? Okay, you just forget about this. Only 1/1 is here. So 1, it becomes 12. What should be the number multiplied? 12. 12 means here numerator also multiplied by the same number. We'll get 12. Minus 12. Well, it is one time. We'll get the same value. So 7/12 part had to be complete. Right? This is the solution. So by okay, 6. Question number 5 and 6 we can do as a homework. Clear? Next I will explain about that question number 7. Right. Yes, the question number 7. So here it is a figure as given. In that there are 2 closed figures, closed shapes, which is A, B, E is a triangle and B, C, D, E is a rectangle. To find the total, which figure has greater perimeter and by how much? We need to find the perimeter of these 2 figures individually. Individual figures perimeter we need to find. Then after compare their perimeters and then we'll give the conclusion. The conclusion means which perimeter is greater of these 2 shapes. Okay. So first of all, I need to find the perimeter of triangle. This is figure number 1 and this is figure number 2. Shape 1, shape 2. So what is the triangle? A, B, E. A, B, E. Yeah. The triangle ABE. Yes. First of all, right now, perimeter of triangle ABE. Yes. My question is, how to find the perimeter of triangle? How many sides it has? There are 3 sides. So to find the perimeter of any closed figure, as we learned about, just add their sides, right? To find the perimeter of any closed figure, we just add their sides. Add cheddam sides and any sides. So this is one side AB, BE and EA. AB is 3 centimeters. We need to add all line segments. AB plus BE plus EA. Right. AB how much? 3 centimeters plus BE is 2 centimeters plus EA is 4 centimeters. We just convert them all our natural fractions. We just convert them into improper fraction. 3 3 is 9 plus 1, 10/3 plus 2 5 is 10 plus 1, 11/5 plus 3 4 is 12 plus 2, 14/3. Okay, right? You just add 10/3 plus 14/3. Then add 11/5. 10/3 plus 14/3. How much? The like fractions there. Oh, no? Yes, 24/3 plus 11/5. Take LCM of these two. Both are prime factors, prime numbers. The LCM is 15. Okay, 3. We could not assume that there is no fraction. We need to write equivalent fraction by 24/3. So 3 become a 15. What should be the number multiplied? 5. 24 also will be multiplied by 5. That will be 24 into 5. 120. Right, 120 plus. It is already 5. How many times? 3 times. 3 into 11, 33. Yeah, 153/15. So you just write it, you multiply, divide it. 153 divided by 15. 0 3 0, the 3 remainder. We get 10 3/15 centimeters. This is about the perimeter of triangle which is given in the picture. Right? Next, one more it is there, What is this? Rectangle. What is the formula to be find the rectangle perimeter? Just now we have completed one question. Yes, 2 into L plus B. Right? So by using length is there, this is the length BE 2 1/5 and breadth 1 2/3. You just use it. Length and breadth 2 into L plus B. Just do as we did done that question number 4. Then we get 10 3/5 centimeters, and also after finding the perimeter of rectangle we should know the perimeter. So after comparing the two perimeters we should give one conclusion, which is greater by how much? By how much? How can you say that? By subtraction. Right? Clear what I am saying? So already found that. Okay, boys and girls, can you hear me? Okay, is it clear? Okay, right. So we find that the perimeter of triangle here, and I'm asking you that to find the perimeter of rectangle. You just look at we'll just compare them. We need to say which is greater. By how much? Which is greater by how much? Okay. If you find the perimeter of rectangle, then we'll give the conclusion. So you just do it. If it is not, if it is okay, then otherwise I will explain. Right? We just find the LCM on the perimeter of question figure number 2. Figure number 2. Find it. Perimeter find cheyandi. రెండింటిని compare చేయండి. Which is greater and which is smaller మీకు తెలుస్తుంది. We just give the conclusion. That's it. Okay. Enana? Right. Okay. In mathematics, particularly, of it means multiplication. Yeah. Half of 5, half of 8 by written. What is the meaning of that? 1 by 2 into 8. 1 by 2, 8. It is in the form of product multiplication of fractional number with whole number. You know how to find the multiplication of fraction with whole number. So if there is no denominator, it is a 1. Yes, 1 into 8, 8 by 2 ones are 2. 8 by 2. If is there any common factors for numerator and denominator, we can take and cut them. So 2 ones, 2 fours. The result will be 4. By using same rule, we just give the solution for this question number 2. The question number 2, see that question A, half of the circles in the box A. Half of the circles in the box A. Can you tell me how many circles in the box A? 3 rows and 3 columns. Sorry, 4 rows and 3 columns. Together 12.
4 columns.
Together 12, you write? Half of the circles in the box. If you take half of the circles in the box, what is the number?
6.
Yes, that's good. How did you say that? Yes, first one I will tell you. Half of circles. Half of how many circles? Half of 12 circles. Yes, 12 into half into 12. Yes, 12 by 2, that equals to 6. 2 ones and 2 threes. Then you can complete that question number 2 all in the same way. Right? Question number 2 lo unnavanni kuda alage complete chesukovachu. Next, question number 3. The question number 3, find it. Wow, this is also same. 1/3 of 12. 1/3 of 12. No, I will tell you that. Question number 3, exercise 2.2. Question number 3. Second one I will tell you. 2 by 5 of 50. Okay, 2 by 5 of, that means into 15. Right, it is a 1. Now 2 into 15 by 5 into 1, 5. 30 by
30.
5.
30 by 5.
5, 6. That is equal to 6. So here that emphatically point is, right, of means into. In mathematics, of that means into. So what is the work I have given today? Exercise 2.1. 4, 5, 6, 7 we have to complete, and exercise 2.2, question number 2 and 3. This is all today your work. Thank you.